I am opening my first Littlest pet shop. This is my first one ever. When they came out, I was like a little too old for them. I mean, now I don't care, but. And these are blind boxes. I don't want to look at what you can get unless you be surprised. Let's see. Looks yellow. It's got a crown. Oh my gosh. Wait, is this a cat? I got a kitty. Cats are one of my favorite animals, if you can't tell. I'm so happy right now. It's probably the best one I could have gotten. These are all the ones you can get. Oh, that one's cute. The red one. And the brown one under it. Wait, did I get a dog? It might be a dog. I can't tell. Holy. There's so many. Okay, gotta be. So update, this might be a dog. So its personality, it is the fanciest. Level 1. And exotic. Oh snap. I did not expect there to be so many. Oh, I kind of want this shark. Ooh, I want that cat. Or a tiger. I think it's a dog. I genuinely cannot tell. That one's cute. And the caterpillar. Okay, so here's another one. Let's open her up. Okay, let's see. Not pink. Is this a lizard? It is. This one's cute. These are cute. Oh wait, I saw this online. It's got his little leaf. Yeah. Let's see this one's info. Oh, I got number 12 and 13. This is the hungriest. Same, I'm making food right now. Level 1 and another exotic.